Lift every voice and sing, till earth and heaven ring with the harmonies of liberty. Let a rejoicing rise, high as the listening skies. Let it resound loud as the rolling sea. Sing a song full of the faith that the dark past has taught us. Sing a song full of the hope that the presence has brought us.
1, 2, 3, 1.
Facing the rising sun of a new day's begun, let us march on till victory is won.
1, 2, 3, and.
Stony the road we trod, beat the chast'ning rod, fell in the days when hope unborn had died. Yet with a steady beat, have not a weary feet, come to the place for which a people sigh. We have come over a way that with tears have been water. We have come treading our path through the blood of the slaughter.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1.
Out from the gloomy past, still now we stand at last, where the white gleam of thy stories cast.
1, 2, 3, and.
God of our weary years, God of our silent tears, thou hast brought us thus far on the way. Thou hast by thy might led us into the light. Keep us forever in the path we pray. Lest our feet stray from the places, our God, where we meet thee. Lest our hearts, drunk with the wine of the world, we forget thee.
1, 2, 3, 1.
Shadow beneath thy hand, may we forever stand, true to our God, true to